The overall goal of this experimental protocol is to induce muscular exhaustion in the frontal thighs with non-invasive subjective and objective recovery assessments. The testing of a local cryotherapy recovery modality is also demonstrated.
This method can help answering key questions in the field of sports medicine and experimental interventions such as post-exercise recovery studies. The main advantages of this technique are that muscular exhaustion can be induced without using expensive devices, and recovery characteristics can be assessed non-invasively.
Generally, participants new to the Exhaustive's jumping protocol will struggle, not just because of its very high cardiovascular impact, but also because it demands excellent motor coordination.
Recruit the participants using social media and flyers, and select 18 to 30-year-old students who play endurance sports for 2 and 3 hours per week. Exclude anybody experiencing pain or who had torso or lower extremity injuries in the last year. Also exclude diseased, medicated, pregnant, or applicants with skeletal deviations. 1 week prior to the experiment, instruct the participant to perform up to 5 CMJs on a jump mat, with a 1-minute break between each jump. A CMJ is performed from an upright position with hands on the hips to eliminate arm swing. Let the participants use their own range of motion and contraction time.
The correct execution of the counter-movement jumps is very important for the vertical jump assessment. Both hands should